Hi, in this video I'll be talking about three important tools in Autodesk Inventor 2015. One of them is Project Geometry, second one is Planes, and the third one is Slice Graphics. So let's see how to do that in Autodesk Inventor. Let's get started. Let's select a part. So let's go to Origin and select a plane. So for this uh, video I'll be selecting XY plane. So after you select XY plane, this point here is your origin. So let's use the project geometry tool. So I'll show you how to use the project geometry tool here. So let's click on project geometry, select the so you have these two lines here. So these two are the projections of the plane on your axis. You see, if you rotate them, you'll find it. So these are the projections. So we'll select a circle and draw a circle of any radius. So we'll use this constraint command to make these projections as a tangent to this circle. You see, so these two axes are now the tangents to this circle. Let's finish the sketch. Let's use extrude option. So we'll be extruding it symmetrically to 0.5 inches. Click OK. So now you have a cylinder. So let's see how you create another plane which is parallel to this XY plane. So for that, go to the plane option here, select offset from a plane. So remember, we have selected a plane XY for this figure. So let's select XY and let's move it in this direction. So we are creating another plane parallel to your XY plane. You see, this is your XY plane, and this plane, whatever you have created, is now uh, parallel to your XY plane. So this is a new work plane that we'll be working on. So if you want to project this cross section onto this plane, uh, we would be using the project geometry command again. So before that, let's click on this and create sketching. So we have created sketching now. So let's click on project geometry. We would select the circle and project it onto it. So if you see, this cross section is being projected onto this plane. So let's extrude it. Now if you extrude this, you don't need to draw a circle again. If you extrude this, that will be on this plane. So you see, again, let's create this 0.5 inches. Click OK. So you see, this is same as this one. So what you have done here is you have selected the XY plane, you have created a new work plane which is an offset to this plane. So you have a lot of options here to create those planes. It depends on what component you are drawing to select the plane. If you are drawing a rib, you'll be using angle to a plane around edge. So we'll be using these planes in our future videos. So let's continue with the project geometry again. Now let's go back to this. uh, what we will do next is to create a solid that merges with this component. To do that, we would select the XZ plane, XY plane again. So select the XZ plane. If you see, the XZ plane is exactly in the center of the component. You see, so if you click on that, this is now visible. Zoom out a little. So we want to create a circle on this plane, and that should merge with this solid component here. To do that, what we would do is we would right click, first create the plane, and right click on that and click on slice graphics. See, now the whole part has been removed, and whatever you have here is just the part on which you can create the circle. So I've created a circle on that. Now finish sketch. Now I would use the extrude option. So just to make sure that it is visible to us, I would create this with a little more diameter. See, okay, let's do this another way. This is exactly on this. Extrude. Okay, so this is how you create a component on a component using the project geometry tool. So I hope this video is helpful for you in using the work planes, in using the slice graphics command, and also in creating the planes parallel to the existing planes like YZ, XZ, and XY. Uh, let's see a lot of components that we draw using these planes in our next videos. Thank you.